Very good morning to all the lovely children, and welcome back to the phonic class. Today is Tuesday, 21st of July 2020, and this is the work for the revision of the h sound. Okay, with sound, h sound. Okay, with sound, h sound. Okay, let me explain you this activity. So this is a hungry frog. Okay, this is a hungry frog, and these are the sounds. Okay, so this hungry frog, he just eats sound. Okay, he just eats sound. So now he is very hungry, and then he will go around the sounds and he will eat only the sound. Okay, and in this activity you all will help the hungry frog to eat the sound. Okay, good job. Let's start the activity. Now kids, we will search for the sound for the hungry frog, and then we will pick it up and we will put it inside the hungry frog. Okay, so now please all of you look very carefully and tell me where is the sound. Okay, look very carefully. Is it the sound? No. Is it? No. Is this one? No. This one here? Good job. Yes, it's a sound. So what we will do? We will feed this hungry frog. Okay, now let's search for other. Okay, we have done this 3. Is it the sound? No. This one? Very good. This one here? This one? No. This one. What about this one? What is this? Good job. It's a sound. So we will feed it. Now this one here. This is a sound. Very good, children. And this one here? No. This one? No. This one? No. And this one here? Last one. Yes, it's a sound. This is a sound. So we will put it inside the hungry frog. Okay, so this was the activity, children. I hope you liked it, you have enjoyed it. Okay, now let's go for the written work. Okay, now children, take out your English notebook and we will write the sound in the notebook, and I will tell you how. So like this you can make the dots at first, or you can make at the time when you are making the sound. Okay, so can you see the dot here? You have to put your pencil on the dot, on the red line, the first red line. Then you have to make a standing line till the blue line, okay, second blue line. Now between these two blue line you have to make the curve of the sound, okay. Let me tell you one more time. Put your pencil on the dot here on the red line, make a standing line, okay. Make a standing line till the second blue line. Then between these two blue line you will make the curve of the sound, okay. Okay, see very carefully. Put your pencil on the dot, make a standing line till the second blue line, okay. Between these two blue line you need to make the curve of the sound, okay. So like this you have to do your work in the notebook today, okay. So write very neatly and very correctly and enjoy your work. Okay, thank you for watching, kids. Bye bye.